Hi, Lori with Team Gabriel here, and I'm standing at our newest listing at 1 Lanz Lane in Ellington, Connecticut. Come on in and take a look around. This home has all hardwood floors on the first level. It's freshly painted. It has new trims, doors, hardware, beautiful Thomasville linen cabinetry. It's nice and bright. It has newer windows throughout. It has a great living room, open to the dining room and kitchen. A large bathroom that enters into the master bedroom as well. In the lower level, we have a great room, a rec room, a wonderful floor-to-ceiling fireplace with a brick raised hearth. It has a wood stove insert. This is a very, very efficient home. The electric bill here is very, very low. She doesn't even pay $800 a year. That's a great opportunity for somebody that really wants to save some money. This is a super private and peaceful location in Ellington. Everybody loves this school system and everybody loves privacy, and this house has it all. Because of your thermal pane windows and the extra insulation, in 2006, all the sheetrock was done. Everything was done from floor to ceiling and rebuilt. So this is a great home, just like me. So if you're a car enthusiast, a mechanic, a carpenter, or just somebody that has hobbies and wants to putter around, you have a 2.5 car garage, plus it has space that has an office. This is a wonderful, wonderful addition that everybody would love to have. So if you'd like to take a look at this beautiful raised ranch at 1 Lanz Lane in Ellington, Connecticut, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. You don't want to miss this one. Give us a call.